Hello students, in this video we will study two most important definitions. One is tautology and the other is contradiction or fallacy. The definition of tautology is like this: a compound statement is called a tautology if it is always true for all possible truth values of its component statements. एक कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट है जो कुछ कंपोनेंट स्टेटमेंट से बना हुआ है और वो कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट हमेशा ट्रू है for all possible truth values of its component statements. Component statements की सारी possible truth values के लिए अगर compound statement हमेशा true है तो हम उसको क्या कहेंगे? Tautology कहेंगे. It is denoted by small letter t. For tautology we use small letter t. Then we have contradiction or fallacy. Definition is: a compound statement is called a contradiction or fallacy if it is always false for all possible truth values of its component statements. Given compound statement जो कुछ component statement से बना हुआ है और वो हमेशा false है for all possible truth values of its component statements, okay? तो वो compound statement क्या हो जाएगा? Contradiction या फिर fallacy. It is denoted by small letter f. F for fallacy and T for tautology. Fallacy को हम contradiction भी कहते हैं. Now in view of these two definitions, we have some laws. Now here we have first set of laws called complement laws. Laws are: P or negation of P is equivalent to tautology. P and negation of P is equivalent to fallacy. Negation of tautology is fallacy and negation of fallacy is tautology. These two laws are obvious. Okay, tautology का negation क्या होगा? Fallacy and fallacy का negation क्या होगा? Tautology होगा. Now let's prove these two rules using truth values of statement P. Okay, so we have here statement P, we have negation of P, we have P or negation of P, and statement P and negation of P. Okay. Possible truth values of statement P are T and F. Either statement P is true or false. If truth value of P is T, then truth value of negation of P will be F. Truth value of P is F, then truth value of negation of P will be T. ठीक है ना? Now let's write truth values of P or not P. Okay, we have here TF, so truth value is T. FT, truth value is T. So here all the truth values of this statement are T. So this statement is tautology. यहाँ पे हर जगह पे क्या आ रहा है? T आ रहा है ना? ठीक है, तो ये statement क्या हो जाएगा? Tautology T. So we have P or not P is equivalent to tautology. Let's find truth values of P and not P. Okay, here we have TF, so truth value will be F here. We have here FT, so truth value will be F here. All the truth values of this statement are F, so this statement is fallacy. So we have P and not P is equivalent to fallacy. Okay, and these two laws are obvious. Negation of tautology is fallacy and negation of fallacy is tautology. Now corresponding to these complement laws of mathematical reasoning, we have a complement laws of set theory. Like if we replace here statement P by set A, okay, then we have here A union A complement. ठीक है ना? Here logical connective OR is replaced by union. And what is A union A complement? This is a universal set U, and corresponding to universal set U of set theory, we have a statement tautology in mathematical reasoning. ठीक है ना? We can consider universal set U as statement T, small t, tautology. Okay. Then here we have A intersection A complement. A and A complement are disjoint sets. Okay, so intersection is null set. Okay, and in mathematical reasoning we have statement F fallacy corresponding to set phi of set theory. ठीक है ना? We can consider fallacy F equivalent to null set phi. Okay, Now we know that U complement of universal set is null set. Okay, so here we have complement of tautology, negation of T. This is equivalent to statement F. This is fallacy. Here fallacy means null set. Okay, and complement of null set is universal set. So complement of fallacy or negation of fallacy is tautology. ठीक है ना? Now we have identity laws. We have here four laws. First is P and tautology is equivalent to statement P. Second is P and fallacy is equivalent to fallacy. Then we have a third law, P or tautology is equivalent to tautology. And fourth one is P or fallacy is statement P. This is equivalent to statement P. Let's prove this by considering all the truth values of statement P, all the possible truth values of statement P. We have here statement P, okay. We have here tautology, then we have here fallacy, okay. Then we write statement P and tautology, P and fallacy, P or tautology, P or fallacy, okay. Now possible truth values of statement P are T and F, okay. Truth value of tautology is always T, truth value of fallacy is always F, okay. Now let's write truth values of P and tautology. We have here T, T, so truth value is T. We have here F, T, so truth value is F, okay. Now truth values of P and this statement P and tautology are identical, so these two statements are equivalent. So we have P and tautology is equivalent to P. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे proof जो है वो बहुत simple है. We have very simple proofs for all these laws. Okay. Then we have statement P and F. Let's write truth values here. We consider these two columns. We have TF, so we will have F here. We have FF, so have F here. Okay. Let's write here. This statement is equivalent to statement P and this statement is fallacy F. Okay. Now let's write truth values of this statement P or tautology. Consider these two columns. For TT, truth value is T. For FT, truth value is T. Okay. So here all the truth values are T. So this statement is टॉटोलॉजी, ठीक है ना. इसकी सारी ट्रूथ वैल्यूज टी हैं, तो ये क्या होगा टॉटोलॉजी. ये स्टेटमेंट हमेशा ट्रू होगा, ये स्टेटमेंट हमेशा फॉल्स होगा, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा फैलेसी और कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन. ओके. नाउ कंसीडर द स्टेटमेंट पी और फैलेसी. सो वी कंसीडर दिस टू कॉलम्स. वी हैव टी एफ, सो ट्रूथ वैल्यू विल बी T here. We have FF, so truth value will be F here. So truth values of P and statement P or fallacy F are identical. So these two statements are logically equivalent. Okay, so we have statement P or fallacy is equivalent to statement P. Okay, आप इनको याद रखें. ये लॉस को हम क्वेश्चंस में यूज करेंगे. वी विल यूज दिस लॉस इन सॉल्विंग questions. Now corresponding to these identity laws of mathematical reasoning, we have a laws of set theory. Like if we replace statement P by set A, okay, so we have here A intersection universal set U. Here's logical connective AND is replaced by intersection, okay, and statement tautology of mathematical reasoning is replaced by set U of set theory. Okay, set theory में टॉटोलॉजी के करेस्पॉन्डिंग कौन सा सेट होता है यूनिवर्सल सेट होता है, ठीक है ना. नाउ A is सबसेट ऑफ U, सो A इंटरसेक्शन U is सेट A, ठीक है ना. तो देखो ये दोनों जो रिजल्ट्स हैं वो इक्विवेलेंट है ना. ओके. नाउ हियर करेस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस वी हैव A इंटरसेक्शन नल सेट. ओके. Logical connective AND is replaced by intersection and fallacy is replaced by phi. Corresponding to statement fallacy in mathematical reasoning, we have set phi, null set in set theory. Okay. Now A intersection phi is phi. Okay. So we have here corresponding result in mathematical reasoning. P and fallacy is equivalent to fallacy. Okay. Then here we have set A union universal set U. Okay, A is subset of U, so A union universal set is universal set. Here universal set is superset. ठीक है ना? So here we have corresponding result in mathematical reasoning. P or tautology is equivalent to tautology. Here tautology is corresponding to universal set U in set theory. Okay, and this result, for this result we have set A union phi. A union phi is A. So we have here P or fallacy equivalent to statement P. ठीक है ना?